The third-generation vacuum waterproof tester is a high-precision testing device, specifically designed for detecting the sealing performance of watches. It is different from the traditional water injection testing machine. This machine adopts the working principle of positive and negative pressure generated by compressed air, and accurately determines the sealing condition of the watch case through the change of air pressure. This water-free testing technology can effectively avoid the problem of movement, rust or damage caused by water ingress during the testing process, significantly improving safety and reliability. This area is designated for placing watches in the sealed chamber. This area is the operating area. You can see that we preset many common testing procedures and other function settings. Next, we selected a functional Omega Seamaster 300 as the test subject. First, place the watch centrally on the test bench with the strap not extending beyond the sealed chamber. For irregularly shaped watches, use spacers for support. We selected a simulated environment of approximately 2,000 meters altitude and 50 meters water depth for testing. The corresponding data is minus 0.7 bars negative pressure and 5 bars positive pressure. We locate the corresponding program on the screen and click Start. The current test data is for negative pressure. Leakage detection relies on glass displacement. Observing real-time data, negative pressure at minus 0.7 bars. With the crystal moving upward by 5.0 micrometers, the test duration and leakage percentage were recorded. The negative pressure result displayed a check mark, indicating the test passed. Next is the positive pressure test. The current data displayed is for the positive pressure test. Both the negative pressure test and the positive pressure test have passed, waiting for the machine to open the chamber door automatically. All check marks indicate that there is no issue with the waterproof performance. Click the print button to generate test results. First test, negative pressures, 0.7 bars, with glass displacement data of 5.0 micrometers, passing. Second test, positive pressure 5 bars, with glass displacement data of 37.70 passing. We can customize settings based on the watch's characteristics and test scope. Select the required negative pressure value and test duration, the desired positive pressure value, and the test precision in this section. The larger the value, the higher the precision. Rotate the crown to simulate a watch leak for testing. Place the watch in the sealed chamber and await results. If the machine displays negative pressure failure, you can choose to continue or terminate the test. Upon successful completion of positive pressure testing, wait for pressure release. The chamber door will open automatically. Leak point testing, click M7 to test at 2 bars pressure. After testing completes, immerse the watch in water to observe bubbles, indicating the leak location.